So look, the range of outcomes with a Trump presidency we know is wide. It's part of why the market struggled in the months prior to Trump being elected. So I think we're going to have some more volatility in both directions. So therefore I'm worried about, will deflation come back and haunt us? Or is it being isolated to Europe and Japan? On the other hand, inflation's starting to move higher and Trump policies are likely to stoke that a little bit more. Are we going to worry about that? What's this run up in the bond yield all about and the sell-off in the bond market? Is that inflation related or nominal GDP related? These are issues that I think we can speculate on, but nobody really knows the answer. So the Fed's target for a non-inflationary interest rate is certainly higher than where we are, and probably higher today than the question might have been answered prior to Donald Trump getting elected. I've always said it's somewhere between 1.5 and 2, and maybe I stick to that, but it's closer to 2 or maybe low 2s. It's not 1.5 anymore. Most likely, a Trump presidency is going to give us a little more growth than we would have had. And decent economic growth's good for real estate. And so I think real estate will be just fine. The regulatory issues will recede somewhat. The real question is, how fast do rates move up and challenge real estate investments? But my main view is that as the economy goes, so will go equities and so will go real estate. Be careful of the coasts, they're pretty inflated. The middle of the country is a little more interesting.